It's a 2019 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.